Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be filming a very overdue video. I'm yet to film what's on my iPhone, so guess what? Today, that's what we're doing. You will have to excuse my voice throughout the whole thing. I completely lost it a few days ago and it's literally just come back now. But I need to film content for you guys, so you're just gonna have to put up with it, so sorry about that. I absolutely love watching these videos to like see what other apps people have and like how they lay things out and everything. I moved to this side so I can insert the screen recording here. Sorry if you can't really see this very well, but it's not that exciting. But this is basically my homepage. It's a picture of me and my best friend, and I love Face ID now. I thought it would take quite a lot of time getting used to it, but I absolutely love it. As you unlock the phone, this is what you see. Kind of a bit basic with all my apps. I haven't fully got all the apps I'm happy with yet so far. It's been like 2 months. You don't know what you're gonna need forever, if that makes sense. I haven't hardly got like any games on there, which I'm kind of surprised about. I probably need to get some games, but I'm here. You've all seen it before. I have mail, calendar. Again, I don't really use this, to be honest. Photos, my favorite thing. Already have like 2,000, and that's like, yeah, 2 months and I have already 2,000. That isn't looking good, but I do need to like go and clear like a load of them, but I just have different folders like everybody probably does. And yeah, then we have the actual camera itself. You've all seen a camera before, nothing special. Clock, which again you all have. Just have all my alarms on there. People have thousands, but so far I haven't got that many. Maps, notes, which I do use quite a bit actually, just for like lists and things like that, and writing captions. Again, oh, this has all changed. I actually haven't been on this. What the hell? That looks so cool. We have weather, app store, settings, then we have Pinterest. Now, I actually don't really post anything on here. I just have like things saved. Especially cute room designs. Oh, that's not supposed to be there, what the hell? But like, yeah, honestly, go and check out that pin because I have thousands of nice room designs that I wanted mine to look like, and honestly I feel like I've achieved a really nice room, so I love it. I have art GCSE, just stuff that I was doing in art that I need, and then art again, eyeshadow, you know, just all the random sort of ones. Is what? I think it's like Miss Emma X07, so you can go and follow me on there if you wish. I basically just look for inspiration here. I don't actually properly like use it to post and like have like a social platform on, if that makes sense. Next we have YouTube Studio, comments and stuff like that. We have YouTube itself. Honestly, what can I say? One of the best platforms you can find places ever. Absolutely love it. Make sure to go and subscribe if you want to see more videos. You never know. Spotify. I think I'm on private, so I don't think you can see me, but basically I kind of switch between different music platforms. Like sometimes I'm on Spotify, sometimes I'm on Amazon Music, sometimes I'm on Bolt, like just all these like little ones. I kind of just weave my way through them. As you can see, I like properly haven't done that yet, but been absolutely loving the group Ida at the minute. Their songs are incredible. Then we have Snapchat, good old Snapchat, you know. I do have a private one and I do have a public one as well, so I'll link my public one down below, so make sure to go and check that out. Next we have one of my favourite social medias in the world. We have Instagram. Instagram is like my favourite place. Make sure to follow me if you haven't already. Literally, I'm always active over there. It's like one of my favourite things ever. Bit of a lifestyle person, bit of makeup, bit of productivity. We have iMovie, which is what I use to edit all of my videos. For effects and stuff, transitions, I use my MacBook. My YouTube videos just on my phone, so this is the one that's actually going up today at 5 PM. Don't know when you'll be seeing this video, but it's a desk tour, so it'll probably be out by this. So we have Show My Homework, which again I'm not really going to go on, but it's just the app. I feel like every school has like an app that you sort of like use to like monitor your homework sort of, so it just tells us when things are due in by and things like that. Next we have Twitter. Now again, I don't really use Twitter that much, but if you do want to go and follow me, make sure to just check it out. Sometimes I really like it, you know, sometimes I do get really hooked and I just stay on it for ages. But next we have QuizUp. Now this is probably one of my most used apps currently. It is like an educational app, obviously, and it's so useful. Your brain so active all the time. So if I play this, so you get put with like a random person in the whole entire world, and you need to get like just be the quickest and win. But it's basically, but like really quick stuff like that. Some fun over there. Next we have Quizlet, again an educational app and one of the most, just so good. Literally spent hours on end putting all the French vocab into sets on here, and honestly, yeah, I can't tell you, I cannot like express how long it took, but I'm just so happy it's done now. I made all of these myself, and if you don't know what Quizlet is, just download it. It is so helpful. You can do matching, you can do tests, you can write them, you can learn them, you can do flashcards, which is what I do the most. For example, you get that, well, you'll be able to see it anyway here, but you get that and then you can flip it, and then, like, you know, it's just so useful. And yeah, I absolutely love that. And then at the bottom we just have phone, Safari, WhatsApp and messages. You will all know what they are, don't really need to explain them. Shortcuts, now I'm not gonna lie, I've never been on that before, don't really know what it is, so I don't know what is there. Then we have extras. Now what do we have in here? Just the things that basically nobody uses. Files, yeah, can be quite useful. Pages is really good as well, but I use that on my MacBook. Voice memos, yeah, I mean, just the extras, you know. Shops, now these are just all sort of average shops that I shop at. All of these on here, I mean, Forever 21, Beauty Bay, H&M, Missguided, New Look, Boots, Superdrug, Pretty Little Thing, Amazon, Photobox and Boohoo. Now they're just like all my favourite shops, so they're fine there. And then we have money. Sweatcoin is an app where you can just walk and earn money. I've been on it for like years, never actually gotten any money, but I think I could get money, but oh no, it's lost my account because it's on my old phone. Wide, which is my bank, and then YouTube count, which is just like your views and stuff, just to count them. We have Photo Edit. Now this is one of my favourite folders. So we have Instasize, which is basically I use to put borders around things. We have Wittergram, which I use all the time to edit actual photos themselves. So like, for example, you can just change like all the things on it, like make it blurry, focus it, anything like that. Fonto, which is what I use to make my thumbnails, very good app. Facetune, rarely ever use that. Font is really good for like writing words on videos, really good for that. And then Video Star is really good for making the words move on videos. I use that for that. If you want a video on how I use them, feel free to comment down below. And we have Contacts, you will have all seen that before. Gmail, Steps app, which is actually a really good app as well. I'll flip. I mean, I have just woken up, so that's why they're so low. But yo, I did so many on Friday. What did I do on Friday? I don't even know. Visco, that should really be in Photo Edit. Don't know why it's there, but again, I use this all the time. I don't have like a proper, well, I do have an account on it, but I don't like post like a social media platform. As I said, same for Pinterest really. I should edit all my photos on here. Helix Jump, again, I would have lost all of my thing on here because it's been on my old phone, so that's kind of annoying. Oh, I was on such a high level. I can't even tell you. Oh well. Next we have Bolt, which again is extremely good for downloading songs for your YouTube videos, Giphies, like GIF things for your YouTube videos, like video that you want. You can literally just save videos on YouTube to your camera roll. Like, it's so good. Facebook, won't really go on that because it's quite private, but I literally use that, to be honest. Subcount, well, I don't use it all the time, but I check it all the time. Just seeing those numbers, what? Like, I am so grateful. Like, I actually cannot believe that. Like, that is insane. Huge thank you all for that. Like, that is just like absolutely crazy. TikTok, I haven't done anything on TikTok since I posted my trying to get famous video. Haven't really used it. Well, I use it to like look at, you know, For You page and everything. There's loads on there, but I haven't really actually posted anything since one of my previous videos where I tried to get TikTok famous and it absolutely failed. Next we have BBC iPlayer. Probably should have ITV Hub Player or whatever it is as well, but yeah, you all know what this is. Just really like, you know, Doctor Who, my favourite thing, get in. And Shazam, why is that there by itself? I'm not sure, but Shazam is absolutely amazing. Like, anywhere you're in a supermarket, you want to know the name of a shop, hold your phone up in the air until it gets it, and then it will save it for later. If you don't have Wi-Fi, I can't recommend it more, it's so good. I think that is about it. I mean, I probably have one of the most basic phones you will have ever seen. Oh, also the background, by the way, just to say, it's Sigrid, which I went to see with Lolly, and yeah, I just think it's a really cool background. I've edited it a bit and it's so clear and I just love it. It was such an amazing night, so that is why my background is like that. That is basically my iPhone XR. A few recommendations on there that I think you should get if you haven't already. That is basically what my phone looks like. Okay, so that is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe down below. I mean, I've already said it on there, but you should definitely go and follow my social media if you don't already. Like, DM me if you need anything like that, I will be there. So yeah, that was this video. I hope you enjoyed it, hopefully. And yeah, I guess I will see you in my next one. Bye!